Busy nyana man, sorry ukuniphazamisa man, ngiyazi nani ni busy. Kodwa khona into ngifuna ukuthi si-address lana man guys, as in it's a problem, serious yazi. No, abosisi bethu balana eMzansi bathengisa nge-country man. Bathengisa nge-country, mina ngifuna ukwazi nje ukuthi kuza kanjani ithengise nge-country kabuhlungu kanje. I just saw a video now of omunye umama othenjiswe 1,000 rand yokuthi ashade le out le yangaphandle. Kodwa uthole i-70 rand. Even if they had given her that full amount, 1,000 rand, and it's cheap man. And it's cheap, yazi nisifaka enkingeni. Nisifaka enkingeni ngoba yini enikhala kakhulu. Yini enikhala kakhulu ngochichi. Kanti abosester benu bajola nabo for imali, babashade for imali, and I'm not saying everyone, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying everyone does that, but the majority of our sisters are not thengisa ngathi man. Ngithengisa ngathi for 1,000 rand ungazothengisa nge-South African citizenship nge-1,000 rand, and it's cheap man shem. It's cheap. And the writings is very disappointing because now sizama ukufix i-country nina niyabheda la. Nihlezi nibheda, the majority of us. Hayi thina sonke, but the majority of us nithengisa ngama-country. Yikho basikhuluma kanje. Yikho basi-abuse kanje ngoba nithengisa nge-country nina. Imagine uyoshada umuntu ongaphandle ongakwazi nokwazi awumazi nokumazi for 1,000 rand. Ezophela khona manje emabhiyeni. Ladies, man, we can do better man. Asingabi that desperate. No, asingabi that desperate. So anyway, sorry to waste your guys' time or to bug you. Ni busy. I know it's a Monday and a song is something singafuna. Akenike ukuthengisa nge-country yethu nina. Ayisuka asimncenge futhi futhi.
Evening guys. You know what? I'm sick and tired to be called foreigner, gwecha, kwere, abakufika. So I'm very sick and tired. But one thing is, what we have to do in this country is that we have to make a lot of kids with South African women. That is the thing will help us. Nothing else. We have to make a lot of kids. In the next 30 years, I think that will help us. God can't be called Gwecha foreigner all the time. It's boring.
I'm guessing you've never dated a Nigerian, eh?
I would rather eat dust.
Ah!
Let me tell you about, I don't mean to speak badly about my sisters, ne? But the love of marriage within our sisters is one of the problems that we have. South African women, not all of them, of course, would do anything for marriage. You hear them being scammed by a Nigerian who said, go and take out your thingy, your savings, your pension.
Yeah. Okay.
That happens a lot.
Like, why would you, like in your head, why would you go and take out your pension and give it to a man?
Hello and welcome guys, hope you're right. Guys, this thing yokuthengisa ngelive kuma foreigners, it's very serious. Even abosazwayo or omanakarana bayingenela, they can see ukuthi abosesweti babhayisa ngelive guys. And that guy yase Nigeria is exposing the intentions of ama foreigners ukuthi bashade abosesweti is to get citizenship so that bangasabizwa ngamakwerekwere because sebatsiniwe ukubizwa ngamakwerekwere. And this thing alendlela serious ngakhona, even Jacinta uyayisho ukuthi angeke azashade or ajole ni Nigerian because kahle kahle bona ama intentions wabo uma South Africans is to get citizenship, not ukuthi baba belithando or genuine love, just nje bafuna citizenship so that bazohlala baqhubeke bahlale lana bagange benze kungqola nokukhohlakala lobakwenzako. So I don't know what you think guys. I don't know what you think. If you've got something to say, please leave a comment below. Thank you.